Coming to you from the Carol Blanton Ferris Law Firm Studios, it's the A1 Minute, brought to you by Smith Strong PLC.
Hey, it's Matt with your headlines. Iron Blossom Music Festival will return to Richmond's Midtown Green this fall on September 19th and 20th with its biggest lineup yet. The two-day festival, now in its fourth year, will be headlined by Rock and Roll Hall of Famer Jack White and dance punk mainstay LCD Soundsystem. Beyond the music, Iron Blossom will again feature a curated selection of food vendors and upgraded ticket options. Read more on the lineup and ticket availability at richmond.com. And King's Dominion is adding a drone and fireworks show this summer. The Hanover County Amusement Park, in its 51st season, is beefing up its shows and entertainment offerings. The drone show, called Ignite the Night, will run Friday through Sunday nights, July 10th through August 9th. And look out for the water parade to cool guests off on hot days. Floats will roll through the Candy Apple Grove section of the park, complete with spray effects, dancing performers, and crowd participation. The parade will run on select days from June 27th to August 9th. And in sports, Alisa Kresge was introduced on campus as the new head women's basketball coach at the University of Richmond.
This is your team, and I'm honored to be a part of it, and I will give you everything, and I look forward to getting into the gym all summer long, getting after it.
Kresge comes from Vermont as the winningest coach in program history with a record of 145-89, and is the first coach to lead Vermont to 5 straight seasons of 20 or more wins. This episode was brought to you by Smith Strong PLC. Follow the RTD and Virginia Video Network on Instagram, and we'll be back soon with another A1 Minute.